Hey YouTube, it's your girl Adrina. Today I'm going to be doing a show and tell on this curly wig, so if you want to see, stick around and check it out. Today I'm doing a review on this wig. It is from an Amazon company called KLAIYI. Hopefully I'm pronouncing the name right. I just took it out of the pack and put it on. It feels secure. I'm loving it so far. It's giving me life. You guys know that have been subscribed to me for years. Big hair used to be my thing, especially big curly hair. It still kind of is, but it just depends on the curl. This is kind of like a kinky curl. Let me show you guys a look at the pack, how it came packed right when I took it out, so you guys can see what you see is what you get. Look, when I took it straight out of the packaging, it also sent me out a wig grip headband, which I have on under here. I've been wanting to try one for years. I finally got my hands on one, and here's how it looks when I took that out of the pack as well. Get into the specs. It is a synthetic wig. It is kinky curly. The color is natural black. It has the L lace parting. It has medium brown lace. It also has combs as well as the adjustable strap. Give you guys a close-up look at the curl pattern. Like I said, it is a kinky curly. The part is stationary. You can't part it anywhere else. It comes here, like I said, is in the L shape. I just cut the lace off and threw it on. Now on the wig grip headband, there is a little piece of lace, so wherever you're gonna part your hair, that's where you adjust that piece of lace to be. It's very full. I'm really not sure of the density, but it's very full. This wig, you have to definitely wear it and don't let it wear you. I don't want to run my fingers through it too much because I don't want it to get too poofy. I kind of like it how it is. Yeah, I'm loving it. Like I said, it's synthetic, so I don't want to do too much to it. Make sure you guys check out KLAIYI wigs on Amazon. If you guys have Amazon Prime, you guys know that you will get your wigs quick. I showed you how the wig came. It was basically packaged in a standard synthetic package. Came with a pack of stocking caps, which always comes in handy, as well as this little silk scarf, which I've had this wig for a few days. I've been wanting to open up the silk scarf and put it on, but I didn't want to wear it all out and have it looking greasy and oily before I could do the video. I'm in love with this. It's a Christmas print, but it doesn't matter to me. It's pink, purple, and white. It's not like it's red and green. You guys know I love my silk scarves. Like I tell you guys in a lot of my videos, I usually go to the thrift store to get the authentic silk that the little old ladies donated, because those are my favorite ones, and they're only like $2 or $3 depending on the day of the week. But yeah, make sure you guys check out KLAIYI wigs over on Amazon. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Click on that bell button for notifications, so every time I upload a video, you'll get a notification right away, and you can be like one of the first to watch. And thumbs up and comments. I definitely want to start interacting more and doing different videos. If you're not following me on Instagram, Adri619, and until next time.